Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video on this Time-sert kit. This has saved me for the second time in my life now, so it's a pretty simple kit, and this one is for repairing an oil pan drain plug that's been stripped out. So a lot of aluminum drain or pans, it's pretty easy to strip the threads out, and I had done that on this Honda Pilot. This kit actually I bought for my '88 my '88 Chevy K1500. The drain pan leaked, the plug leaked, and so I used this Time-sert kit to tap and put a new insert sleeve in, and then I was able to get a standard nut in there and got it closed off. So with the Honda, it is metric, but luckily this kit actually still worked. So I used the drill bit, the counter bit, the tap driver, and counter bore. So I used all of this in a sleeve from the kit that I used in my Chevy, and it actually worked pretty well. So if you look in here, we'll see right there, I was able to get that guy tapped in and it has stopped leaking. So shout out to Time-sert once again. I've used this kit twice successfully.